Guys, what's up? We are hiding in the bathroom right now because I am going to unbox a couple of things that I got from Quince. So my husband's birthday is coming up. He asked for a really nice pair of joggers or like lounge pants, and then he wanted like a nice sweater. So I'm interrupting myself during my editing to say that last year he asked for the same thing, these like very nice joggers. I bought him 2 pairs of joggers. I think one cost $200 and one was like $150, and he was like, absolutely not, take them back to the store. So Quince has much better price points, and so that's where we are. And then he wanted like a nice sweater. So this is the sweater that he's getting. He has another sweater from them that he loves, like wears it all the time. It's one of the cashmere sweaters and it has a hood. Oh, this is so soft. So this is a full zip. I think this is cotton, not cashmere. But I always get his true size, so he's a large in almost everything. But this is just like a really nice color. I actually kind of wish that they made this in a women's. Maybe they do. Oh, obviously. I had to order myself something because why not? Oh, this is the women's version. It's a merino wool, but this is like a half zip. So I wanted something to take skiing. This is super soft too. It's not wool like itchy wool. This is really like a soft wool. It's gonna be nice. Oh, these are his fleece joggers. So he works from home. He wanted something that was like comfortable, but like still kind of looked put together if he needed to like run out for an errand. So these are the super soft fleece joggers. These are like really cozy. I think he's really gonna like these. And again, I got his true size. So they have pockets, joggers. We'll see what he thinks. So far though, all of the men's stuff that I bought at Quince, he's really, really liked. I was going to go in his closet and pull out a whole bunch of things from Quince that he loves. And then my kids needed base. So I think I'm going to do a separate video about Quince menswear, like all the stuff I've bought, the stuff that he loves, like their activewear tops, short sleeve and long sleeve, their pants, their shorts. There's just so many good things. So look for that coming soon. And if you have any questions about menswear or Quince in general, let me know. I'm linking the blog post below so you can take a peek at that. And I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, follow, share. All that stuff means the world to me because you're helping me support my little business while I'm a stay-at-home mom. Thanks, guys.